This is a demo of SQL Stream StreamLab. The video is running at twice normal speed, but otherwise there are no edits here. I was also trying to do this as quickly as possible. I'm reading a log file that contains bus location information for about 5,000 buses in the Sydney area. I'll bring that into the StreamLab guide as a single line, and then we'll split that up using CSV into multiple columns. I have the names of the columns that I cut and paste from the data. I've pasted in here. I'll rename all the columns in one step. Now I'll take the speed and cast that to be an integer. And filter out the rows where the speed is equal to 0. To get the time at which these events were actually recorded, I have to pull it out of this string. So I'll select the text that I want from a sample column and use the filter operation to create a new column called time that has just that portion of the string. Now StreamLab is recognizing this time column as something that can be converted to a timestamp, and it's suggesting that we do that, and I take that suggestion. Now I can make this the simulation time by renaming it to row time. And now when I do analytics on this data, it will be in that time space. I'll do an average on the speed over 1 hour, a rolling average, rolling window. And I'll also take the speed and I'll discretize it into three classes: fast, slow, or medium, where slow is less than 15 kilometers per hour. Medium is less than 45. That gets my data to where I want it to be. There's my average column there. This is the SQL that was generated by the operations that I've performed so far. Now I can add a dashboard. I'll use the map and table dashboard and set the latitude and longitude. The key is the speed, and the unique ID for each bus is in the ID field. Save my project and view that dashboard. The default map shows the whole world, but I'll pick the pan and zoom map so I can zoom directly into the area we're working in. I'll shut off clustering, show each event by ID as a trail, and set the 3 key values: slow, medium, and fast, and pick which colors I want. I'll turn on both the markers and the trails for each at first. Now let's zoom into the data. We can see everything's here in the Sydney area. There are quite a few buses being tracked here. The data is being streamed in at about 10 times the normal speed. So otherwise buses don't move that quickly. And the colors indicate the speed at the last recorded event for each bus. And up top there we have the average speed of all the buses, which hovers right around 35 kilometers per hour. And there you have it. The application itself took about 6 minutes to build in real time. Here we'll turn some of the markers back on. And zoom in, and you can see what's happening at the street level. And when you can zoom out, you can also see that some of the faster buses are in the outlining areas. And there we go. Thank you very much.